Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Assignment key discussion. Assignment of 8th class dated on 20th June 2020. The topic is vocabulary and grammar from second unit. Say Roman number 1. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined words. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined words. Say first one. The road is so dusty and dust makes me sneeze. Sneeze. Which word is underlined here? Sneeze is underlined. Right? Say three options are given. Option A. Expulsion of air means to send out the air through nose or through mouth. B. Grab. Grab means to take by force. C. Removed. So from given options, sneeze means option A is the right answer. Option A. Second one. A little linnet bird is singing outside my window. Linnet is underlined. What are the options given here? A. A small bird. B. Large bird. C. A bird. So from given ones, linnet means a small bird. So option A is the right answer. Now let us see third one. You can live with me in my garden, which is in paradise. Which is in paradise. What word is underlined here? Paradise is underlined. Now what are the options given? A. Option A. Heaven. Option B. Hell. Option C. Delight. Delight means happiness, joy. So here paradise means option A. Heaven is right answer. Option A. Now let us see fourth one. I may take out my big sword and slay him. Slay him. Slay is underlined. Then what are the options given here? Option A. Kill. Option B. Dispatch. Dispatch means deliver. Option C. Destroy. Destroy means spoil. So from given options, which one is correct? Slay means option A. Kill. Slay means kill. Now let us see fifth one. Little child, who art thou? Who art thou? So actually this line is given in Old English. Art means are. Thou means you. Who are you? So that is the meaning. So art is underlined here. What are the options given here? A. Option A. Am. Option B. Is. Option C. Are. Now what is the answer? Art means are. So option C is the right answer. Roman number 2. Roman number 2 covers grammar part. Editing the passage. Edit the passages correcting the underlined parts. You know, for editing, a small passage will be given. 4 words are underlined. So we have to correct them. Underlined means there is error. So we have to correct those errors. Now, first one. One morning, the Nawab called, so a bit, call. So there is mistake, error in call. Why? One morning. One morning means, so past event is presented here. So the narration must be in past tense. But what is given here? Call. V1 is given. So there should be V2, verb second form. So A, the answer must be called. Instead of call, we should write called. The Nawab called his minister and said him. So this is Himalayan blunder, children. Said him, wrong. Said to him, correct. But when objective case him is there, actually in the place of said, it is better to use told. Told takes object immediately after it. So here not said, be told, and told him that I wanted the length and breadth. See here, who is the speaker in this passage? The Nawab. We are discussing the Nawab, but here I is given, right? We are presenting about this Nawab. So here I wrong, there is error in the pronoun. What should we write? Instead of this, in the place of I, we should write he. That he wanted the length and breadth, D1, fourth one, from the earth measured. Right? See here what is given? From. But when possessive case is given, something of something, what is it? The length and breadth of, not from. Length and breadth of the earth measured. So here in the place of from, we should write of. Right, children? So like this we have to correct. Next, let us see second passage. He also, same story continued here. He also feel the need to have the stars. So feel is underlined. A bit, feel means mistake is there, error is there in it. So we have to correct it. Already I told you this is past narration. So the narration must be in past tense. But what is given here? Feel, V1. Present tense is given. So here in the place of this feel, what should we write? Felt. He also felt the need to have the stars on the sky counted. On the sky. No, children? So here error is there. In the place of on, we should write in the sky. So B bit. So instead of on, we should write in the sky. Now C bit. Let us see C. The minister says that, I told you, so this is past narration, right? But here verb is in present tense form. What should we write? In the place of says, we should write said, past tense form. Said that the task ye have been, actually if it is present perfect tense, he has been, but here have been given, but narration is in past tense, so that must be in past perfect tense. So instead of this have, what should we write? We should write had. Had been said was impossible. Children, like this, we should have command over every part of the grammar to do this editing the passage. Editing the passage, right? So by concentrating on the words underlined, we can do this. We can do this easily. Okay, children? I hope you got this point. Thank you. All the best.